José Serofia Palma is a Filipino prelate and a professional member of the Dominican order who is currently serving as Archbishop of Cebu. He had previously served as Archbishop of Palo and Leyte and Haro, Iloilo. Bishop Palma was born March 19, 1950 in Dingle, Iloilo. He studied his philosophy at St. Vincent Ferrer Seminary and theological studies at the St. Joseph Regional Seminary. He received his licentiate in sacred theology at the Pontifical and Royal University Santo Tomas in Manila and a doctorate from the Pontifical University of St. Thomas Aquinas in Rome. He was ordained a priest for the Archdiocese of Haro on August 21, 1976. On November 28, 1997, Pope John Paul II appointed him titular Bishop of Vasari Didi and Auxiliary Bishop of Cebu. He was consecrated on January 13, 1998. Exactly a year later, he was made Bishop Ordinary of the See of Calbayog. On October 15, 2010, he was appointed Archbishop of Cebu, replacing Ricardo Cardinal Vidal, who had been Archbishop for 29 years. He was installed January 2011 at the Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral. He served as Vice President of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines or CBCP from December 1, 2009 until July 11, 2011, of which he was elected President. On March 18, 2006, Palma was appointed Archbishop of Palo by Pope Benedict XVI, succeeding Bishop Emeritus Pedro Dean.
So my point is, I'm very happy to be friends with General Malcolm and Rogdogan, our men and women in uniform, in making every effort that, I repeat, peace and security may reign, that all of us may celebrate with joy and of course with gratitude and with the fulfillment of people who love God, who love our country, who love each other. To all of you, your collaboration, your cooperation, your prayers are most welcome. God bless you all.